All right, my name is Robert Jackson. I'm from Philadelphia, Mississippi. The reason I came up here to learn more about the business side, I have been doing detailing for a while, but this time I want to get on my own and know the ins and outs about it, and the reconditioning be more profitable to my business so I can offer to more customers. My overall opinion about the class, it was everything I was looking for. I mean, on the business side, because you really don't get to hear about the business side of details. Social network part, I mean, that's the biggest part of it. It's more about branding yourself, putting your brand in front of yourself, and knowing what you're worth. I mean, that's one reason I wanted to come up here to know, doing low jobs, doing good quality work but not getting paid for it, and figuring out making your salary. So.